Hey, what's going on? My name is Ultimate Fangirl Grace.
And Ultimate Fanboy Luke.
And today we are reviewing one of my brother's Lego set that he got today. This is Batman vs. the Riddler Robbery. This is for 4 and up. And it's set 76137. Here's the front.
And it comes with the Riddler and the Batman. The Dark Knight.
Dark Knight Batman. So there it is. So we'll get my scissors if I can find them. There they are.
Safety. The scissors are sharp.
Yes. Now, who is your favourite villain, Loki?
Of course, the Joker.
I think mine will have to be Batman's villain. So many. I think I'll have to go with let's go with the Penguin. Okay. So, move this down. So, here's the instruction manual.
Yeah, of course, can't forget.
And here are the bags.
You can't forget to put a Lego set with an instruction manual.
Yes, and here if you want to, you can do it online on your phone, but I use to record my phone. So we'll see you in a second. We're back. So let's look at the figures. What should we look at? The Batman or the Riddler?
Probably the Batman.
The Batman. Now, as we were building this Batman, this is the first time I've seen it, that this cape is actually one stud instead of you having to overlap them. So there's Batman. He has 2 faces. You get an extra batarang. And there is Batman with 2 faces. Oh,
therefore,
cheeky.
the Riddler.
So, Riddler. Now, Lucy, do you know Riddler's real name?
Edward Negama.
Nice one. There's no second face on this Riddler because it would be hard to hide with the hat. This Riddler is different than the old one because the old ones used to be dark green. Didn't he?
Yeah, and so the movie one had like the big cane.
Yeah, so here's a little crowbar. And then we'll look at the accessory. So the accessory, Riddler has
a skateboard,
which I think should be of green instead of purple, because purple's more of the Joker's colour. But there he is. Riddle me this. What's green and in your wallet?
Money.
Not anymore. If you know what that's from, leave a comment down below. And next accessory, we've got the Batmobile, which I think you can put the batarangs there. So here's the Batmobile, just a cool little design. And put Batman in there. And anything else you got to say about the Batmobile there? And you got a printed stud there.
No, I don't.
And then you got the little bank. So it comes with $200. I think that's what it is.
100 plus 100 equals 200.
Yep. And then you can just obviously put it in there. You can move the ATM in and out. So it just slides in. Whoopsie daisy. But that's what it looks like. You got TNT out there. And I think that's about it. Anything else we've missed?
That's probably it.
Yes, and this is the first Lego set I've been seeing in a long time that doesn't come with extra pieces. So we've got no extra pieces at all. So, my name is Ultimate Fangirl Grace.
And Ultimate Fan Luke Boy.
You guys will find them. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, because we make new videos every Monday. And we'll see you next time.